Assalamualaikum friends, here is 3D text effect for Photoshop. Happy New Year of 2023 or thanks for 200k. You can write your own or current follower. Okay, but these files are protected. Password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime. Here is my page. You can follow, and last is my Telegram channel Sheri SK official. Subscribe me, I provide every notification of video. Okay, here one file is jpg, just for preview, silent, so you can edit your own text. Stone grand opening 2023 200k. Okay, so first open this one, close it now. Okay, double click here. Yes, you need this font, you need this font, but I use a bow font. Write my name Sheri, Control S, and you see here my name. Okay, text is wow, so you can change everything. Here is effects, top element, additional text. Here is a background, extract background, select color, wow, okay, that means you can edit everything. No, sweetie, same thing here, just double click and write anything. Control X for saving. I hope these texts are useful for you. Buy this app for password, follow this page, subscribe this channel. Take care, Allah Hafiz.